friend, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Today I'm going to tell you the 3 things you should be planting in your garden right now if you have a small urban homestead. Let's go! Welcome back to Locust Street Cottage. Today we're going to talk about 3 things that you should be planting or starting, I guess, in garden today. Of course, it's a cold weather crop, so we're going to get out our brassicas. Now, if you hate broccoli, you should probably just go. You're not going to enjoy this episode. Go do something useful. Go watch a bunny video right there. Are they gone? I sent them to watch a video of bunnies eating broccoli. Here are the 3 seeds I'm going to tell you to plant right now. Tot soy, and I've never grown it before, but it says here that it only needs 12 inches. It is a Brassica. It is a cousin of bok choy, and I love all brassicas. So I am growing this one, and I'm also growing bok choy. Is this Yod Fa broccoli. Now, although I have not grown this specific broccoli, I have grown this broccoli, the Brassica broccoli, and it also grows in florets, and I was very pleased with it. But the stems were not as edible as these are supposed to be. Now, here's the great thing about this. This plant grows mostly vertical. It only needs 8 inches of space to grow. Maximize your broccoli. One more thing I'm going to suggest you grow is this purple kale. For the same reason, it only needs 8 inches, and it's beautiful, and it's kale. I have not grown this. I have grown other like curly kale, and really enjoyed it in chopped salads, and we like to pan fry it, pan saute it. You need to start at least these 3 things immediately, and I have started my seeds here. I've decided to grow 6 packs. You can see my thought was, oh, if I start 2, they'll both die. If I start 6, they'll all live. I also have seedlings that I will be selling here in Springfield, Missouri. This is my first year using these woven bags. I thought it might make it easier and cheaper to sell them if I didn't have plastic containers to put them in. If you've grown in woven bags, please let me know. I'd like to know if you've had success with them. Of course, we've all seen the little pods that you can buy for seed starting at the store, and you water them and they expand, and they have this type of material around it, and you put it in the ground. I haven't been super fond of those either. I definitely prefer this system. And as you can see, some of my seedlings have already come up. I think I planted these 3 days ago. So don't forget, these are the 3 seeds you should be starting right now for your urban homestead, and they will do you well. Don't forget, seed spacing is not a law. The plant police, the garden police, are not going to come and arrest you if you plant your plants a little closer. So I do plant my plants a little closer. As I'm harvesting, the other plants come up. Hope that helps. Hope you got some new ideas, and we'll see you next time.